Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we will revise lesson 1, a computer system. Did you learn this lesson? Okay, now you can revise again. Listen the class. Okay. Words to remember. Data refers to facts and information stored in a computer. CPU is the central processing unit of a computer. Hardware are the machinery and electronic parts of a computer. Software are programs used to operate the computer. Scanner is a device used to convert hard copy into soft copy. Video refers to visual display unit or monitor of a computer. Did you learn these words to remember? It's very important. You can learn this. Okay. Now we will revise a part. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. I already given the answers. Okay. First answer. How do you define a computer? This answer you already learned. Second class also. What is a computer? That is same only. How do you define a computer? Say the answer. A computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation also you can learn. Okay. Otherwise, a computer is an electronic machine that is used to generate information from data. It can also store, organize and control other machines. This is also correct. Okay. We can learn shortly. Short answer also you can learn. Okay. Second one. Name the various parts of a computer. Name the various parts of a computer. The various parts of a computer are hardware and software. And hardware, there are many parts. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, joystick. Okay. Now, third one is, what is a hardware and software? That also answer you note down. Hardware are the machinery and electronic parts of a computer. Software are programs used to operate the computer. Okay. Hardware we can touch and see, and the software is a program to operate the computer. Okay. Software is the program to operate the computer. Okay, children. Then, next question. What are the main functions of the computer? That 4 main functions: entering the data, processing the data, data storage, output of data storage. First one is entering the data, second one is processing the data, third one is data storage, and fourth one is output of data processing. Okay. Then fifth one is name the various parts of a computer hardware. Yeah, various parts of a computer hardware: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. Okay, next one. What is IPO cycle? That's also is there. IPO stands for input process output. The computer system accepts data as input, process it and provide the required output. shortly. Input we given, processing is going on, then we will get to the output. Input, process and output. Okay, the computer system accepts data as an input, process it and provide the required output. Okay, our question answer part over. Now you can see the B part. Tick the right answer. This is also answer given. A computer is a dash device, electronic device. CPU is a dash of a computer, brain of the computer. Keyboard has about dash keys on it, 105 keys on it. Dash got a stick to give signal, joystick. Okay, very easy answers, you can learn it. Now fill in the blanks. There are also answers in the box. Dash is used to move things on your computer. Answer is mouse. Dash is used to input our work, keyboard. Dash is processed by the CPU data. And dash is an output device, printer. Okay, now just activity, but this is important activity, but you can practice this picture. Draw the picture of monitor. Okay, you can draw like this monitor picture. Draw nicely. Okay, draw your monitor. Okay, draw monitor. Okay, children, our first lesson revision completed and you can revise nicely. Okay, words to remember, question answers, tick the right answers, fill in the blanks, and this picture also. It's very important. Today's class over. Take care, stay at home. Thank you and have a nice day.